Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys Dodge Challenger and you need to find the fuse for the right headlamp, HID headlamp. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Also we'll explain what else can make that headlight not to work if it's on the fuse. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain why it's super important, by the way, to test your fuse. That's one of the most common mistakes people make, not testing the fuse and find out if it's good or bad. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a ton of money. So what do we need to do guys? Okay, in order to get to the fuses, actually the fuse box that we'll need, okay, for the right headlamp will be under the hood. So we'll need to come inside, and yeah, the car's been in a little bit of an accident, but right here guys, you have the hood latch usually on the bottom. Go ahead, open it, and then you just go ahead, open the hood. Perfect. And if you come right here, let me show you now, this is your fuse box guys, that's where it's located. On that fuse box you have two notches that you need to squish towards each other, pull out, and you can flip it that way. On the back side of the fuse box you have the layout of the fuses and what corresponds to what we have here. Now the right headlamp fuse guys, okay, will be the first fuse from right to left. So that fuse right here, this is known as fuse number 16 guys. So that's the fuse that you will need to check. Now I recommend to always test them, and this is the wrong type of fuse they installed here. If you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share where we get our cheap fuses from and you can save a ton of money. Another thing, it's recommended to always test the fuses, because you may think you have a good fuse, you put it back in, and you still have problems with the headlight not working. You invest so much time and money trying to fix a problem when all you had to do test the fuse and find out it's good or bad. Also, we'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test the fuse, and a relay in practically a few seconds you will be able to find out if they're good or bad. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.